Hello everyone, we from Babel Term 501, Team 2 will present our project with the title is TRPL 501 Service Cycle, Vehicle Service Record and Management Wheel Application. For the outline, there are visual identity graph, draft of copywriting formula, tone of voice and tagline, draft of interactive digital media concept, draft of interface layout, draft of wireframe implementation, draft of exhibition concept, team management and event flow, portfolio visualization draft, and identification of risk mitigation. For the visual identity, we analyze both search cycle. For the strength is users can track service history and get reminders easily. And the weakness is it is still website only, so it's less practical for mobile users. And for opportunity, service cycle can lead web-based vehicle management platforms in Batam. And for the threats comes from existing brands, apps that already have strong user base. So Service Cycle needs to offer something more personal and independent. For the brand positioning, a web-based application that helps its target audience manage vehicle maintenance more easily. And for the brand value, there are three brand value. One is professional, two efficient, and three modern. So the next presentation I'll give to Felicia Salim.
I'll explain the visual identity draft for the visual concept section. Three colors will be used. The color code 3D51C4 symbolizes trust, professionalism, and stability. The color code BDC5E8 symbolizes calmness and gentleness. The color code CFE to F4 symbolizes cleanliness and freshness. Next, two types of fonts will be used. For the title, the Montserrat font will be used, which means modern, bold, and strong. For subtitles and descriptions, the Poppins font will be used, which means simple, easy to read, and friendly. Here are the UI design references that will be applied to this project. Next, this is logo sketch section. These sketches are designed with a combination of various icons. Next, this is the selected logo section. These logos were designed from the previous logo sketches with various improvements. Next, this is the selected logo result section. This logo performed quite well with an average score of 3.0 to 3.3 in terms of comprehension, memorability, and emotional response. However, based on these results, it is recommended to make minor revisions to achieve maximal visual effectiveness. Next presentation is Rahmat Bahari.
For the for copywriting formula, we're doing pass. For the P is the problem. Routine maintenance is often neglected, and vehicle service records are always misplaced. And for the A is agitate. Emergency repairs often happen unexpectedly and cost a lot. And for the S is solution. Manage vehicle assets more easily with service cycle. Next slide is tone of voice. For the tone of voice, there are four tone of voice. One is professionalism, two motivation, three supportive, and four informative. Next slide is tagline. For the tagline, one is rawat kendaraanmu, kendalikan perjalananmu. Dua, two, service cycle, ingat service hidup bebas repot. Tiga, ser three, service cycle, semua service satu aplikasi. Four, aplikasi service digital paling andal. So the next presentation I'll give to Raffi Faridi.
Thank you, Rahmat Bahari. I will explain the draft implementation. We frame it will include the home, workshop, the dashboard, service. Next slide. Okay. Tagline, referral, workshop, location. Next slide. Features and promotion. Next. Okay, for a letter like this service cycle page, there are the main features of service cycle. Then there are context, prints, and so on. Next. For the draft of digital media interactive concept, it's like search for the nearest location, then repair and sys recommend. Next. This is our expectation teams concept. I happen to be in the equipment teams and I'm a member. Next. Okay. For the next concept, it's more or less like this from the text, color, and so on. Next. For the money we aim from the TRMC teams is more or like less like this. Next slide to by Dimas Maulana.
Okay, thanks, Rafif. And this is exhibition fund usage. This table records all exhibition expenses, including decoration, equipment, and the other needs. It helps us manage to collect funds transparently and avoid overspending. Next. And this is sales fund recap. This table shows us income, the expenses from fundraising activities to raise money or public relations. Team sells 2 or 3 types of food twice a week, and also takes pre-orders every 2 weeks to reach more people. Next. Here we divide responsibilities. Each team member helps in 4 main tasks: finding suitable workspace, supplying every division in it, preparing the gate entrance, and setting up the exhibition booth. Next. And this is design concept and reference. Our design reference uses bright, playful visual with a retro style. We use fun fonts, colorful palettes, and layouts inspired by pop culture posters. That gives our exhibitions a cheerful and youthful look. Next slide to Rahmat Bari.
For the portfolio of visualization draft, this mine is for the strengths highly multicolored and pattern, teamwork skills, and high sense of responsibility. For the weakness is sometimes it is difficult to understand practical works or project and lacking confidence when presenting in front of many people. So the next for the best multimedia work ever created, as you can see on the screen. So the next presentation I'll give to Felicia Salim.
I'll explain the portfolio visualization draft. This is the best multimedia work I have ever created, an infographic poster about stop motion introduction. My weakness is that I tend to much focus on detail and I'm not very skilled in complex design. My strengths are that I'm very meticulous and patient, have strong visual and conceptual thinking, and I'm a good team member. Next presentation is Dimas Maulana.
Okay, thanks, Val. And this is risk mitigation for indoor exhibition implementation. This table identifies possible risks during the indoor exhibition, such as equipment damage, electrical issues, or visitor safety. Each risk includes a prevention plan and the related safety regulation. This ensure that our event runs safely and professionally. Thank you.
So that's all for our presentation. Thanks for the attention.
Okay, my name is Samueliana Pitupulu. Slide 10, draft of copywriting formula. Here, I use the past formula problem, a guide, and solution. The problem is the routine maintenance is often neglected and service record get lost. Then I highlight the impact, expected repair cost, and lower cycle value. Finally, the solution service cycle is help user organize maintenance schedule and record in one platform. This draft tone of voice. For the tone of voice, I focus the 4 aspect: 1. Professional scoring service standard, 2. Motivational encouraging user to manage asset effectively. 3. Friendly, reminding user with positive message. And 4. Informative, giving data-based insight on reduction. This draft tagline. There are some tagline options that reflect recycle value. For example, take care of your recycle, control your journey, or service cycle all service in one app. Each tagline expresses reusability and convenience. This draft of wireframe implementation. Next, this is a wireframe draft. It shows the basic structure of the service cycle interface with navigation for home and workshop page, the second layout, highlight and home page, featuring the tagline and section to find newbie workshop. Thank you. Mohon maaf Bapak Ibu, saya telat untuk memasuki Zoom dengan rekan-rekan saya dikarenakan ada urusan di luar berkepentingan. Terima kasih.